Hi, I'm Ted McDonald, a member of the OpenDXL development team. This is Getting Started with OpenDXL Part 2. In this video, we will be deploying a new OpenDXL Broker and using the OpenDXL Console to interact with our new fabric. This is a continuation of the series from Part 1, where we configured an OpenDXL environment in a Docker container. First, we'll need to deploy an OpenDXL Broker. In our OpenDXL environment, let's open a terminal and change to our mounted OpenDXL directory, which we'll use as our working directory. We'll create a new directory called OpenDXL-Broker to contain the configuration files for our new broker. In Kitematic, let's search Docker Hub for the OpenDXL-Broker image. And now we'll create a new container with that image. We've deployed our broker image, so now we need to configure it. Under the hostname/ports section of the settings, we can see the broker has two mapped ports, 8443 and 8883. Let's map both of these to the same ports on our local system. Now under volumes, we need to mount our new OpenDXL-Broker directory to /DXLBroker-volume. Back on the Home tab, we can see that our container is exposing localhost 8443. This is where we can reach the OpenDXL Console, which is included with the OpenDXL Broker. Let's navigate there in our browser. The default credentials are admin and password. These can be changed in the console configuration file after deployment. Now we're in our OpenDXL Console running on our OpenDXL Broker. With the OpenDXL Console, we can perform most of the common operations used on a DXL fabric. In the lower left, we have the Subscriptions pane. This allows us to subscribe to events on any topic. We'll subscribe here to /OpenDXL/test/event. In the upper right, we have the Send Message pane. This allows us to publish events or requests to a specified topic with a given payload. Let's publish an event on our topic, /OpenDXL/test/event. And let's give it a payload. How about Hello World Payload? And Send Message. We can see in the lower right, Received Messages pane, that our message has arrived. We can double click on this message to see the full details. Back in Cloud Commander, we can look into our OpenDXL-Broker directory and see the configuration files for both the OpenDXL Broker and the OpenDXL Console have been automatically generated there. This has been Getting Started with OpenDXL Part 2. In Part 3, we will deploy an OpenDXL integration, the OpenDXL MaxMind service, and request geolocation data through the OpenDXL Console.